Let me show you how you can create a seamless Valentine's theme pattern in Canva, just like this one. Let's go ahead. We're going to be using this collection from Canva. This is the code. Just copy it, uh, type it in the search, and you will get this collection. We're going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to bring in this cherry cake right here. We're going to adjust the size, make it smaller, make it to your choosing, and then we're going to go ahead and center this one. This is going to be our center image. Once we have this, we're going to bring our next image or next element, and we're going to also, I like to have all the images more or less the same size. These images that are going to go around the square right here, we're going to lock it in, duplicate it, and we're going to put it on the opposite side. Once we have that, we bring our third image. This is going to be our corner image. This is going to go on all four corners. Lock it in place right here. Once you see those purple lines on both sides, that means it's locked in. We're going to go ahead. Once we have this, we're going to duplicate it again right here. Once we have it in, we duplicate it one more time to put it on our last corner. We get our last image that's going to go on the edge, and this is our heart. I'm not going to tilt these. These are just going to go in straight like this. We're just going to center it, duplicate it, and place it on the opposite side. Once you have it locked in, aligned, then we're going to go ahead and fill in the blank space around here. We're just going to go ahead and make these images or elements smaller, and we're going to tilt this one a little bit right here and duplicate it and put it opposite of it. We'll get our cherry right here, do the same thing, put it on this blank space and duplicate it and put it here. Once we have all this, we're going to go ahead and download it as a PNG and transparent background. Once we download it, we're going to go ahead and open a new page, blank page, and we're going to bring in our pattern. We're going to go ahead and adjust the size right here to 1/4 of a page. Right here, once you see this cross, that means it's on the quarter, and then we put one on each corner, duplicate, and bring it down. Now you're able to change the background color. Go ahead and group it. Once you group it, move it a little bit away and then choose the square, and you can change it any color you want from the background, or even add another pattern in the back, some stars, some hearts, anything else, some sparkle. You could add it and change the color of your background as well. That's why we downloaded as a transparent PNG uh, image, so you're able to change the color from the back. And if you want to make your pattern even smaller, then just go ahead and shrink it in